So Winter of Action is part of the ongoing South Wales Police commitment to neighbourhood policing, which has seen an uplift of 70 officers throughout the neighbourhood policing teams in South Wales. So in relation to Caerdydd Central, over the Christmas period, we've got not only got the Winter of Action, but we've also got our annual mistletoe operation, which is a multi-agency operation in order to keep the public safe and prevent debt crime and antisocial behaviour. So what we're looking to do in the day is to address shoplifting and other types of theft, such as theft from motor vehicles. So part of that is getting the prevention messages out, so encouraging members of the public to ensure that they lock their vehicles and any items they do leave inside are hidden so they can't be seen by any would-be thieves. We've also got a big clampdown on shoplifting within the city centre. Again, we've got additional patrols that are taking place. There's a Section 34 dispersal notice in place from the city centre to deal with antisocial behaviour. So as we move into the evening and the nighttime economy, we obviously see an increase in people who are under the influence of alcohol. So again, it's about having that high visibility presence in order to prevent crime and antisocial behaviour, reassure the public. We see an increase in uniformed officers and also plainclothes officers as part of Op Minerva. And one of their roles is to go into the city centre and spot predatory behaviour from offenders who may be looking to commit offences against women and girls in order that we can take preventive action and prevent those offences from happening.